Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to solve the chapter number 16 Quadrilaterals question number 8. Here the statement of question number 8 is, in the given figure AB is equal to AC and CD is parallel to BA and AD bisects the exterior angle CAP. We have to prove that angle DAC is equal to angle BCA, and the second one is ABCD is a parallelogram. So in this figure we can see that AB is equal to AC. So first of all, in solution we will write the givens, which is AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, and CD is parallel to BA, and angle CAP is an exterior angle which is bisected by the line AD. It means these two angles are equal to each other. So AD bisects the exterior angle CAP. So angle DAC is equal to angle DAP, because these two angles are equal to each other, because the angle CAP is bisected by AD. So angle DAC, this angle, and angle DAP, this angle, will be equal to each other. So in given figure, as we have know that CD is parallel to BA and this line AC is a transversal line so AC is a transversal line. So the given angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. This angle and this angle will be equal to each other because this transversal line cuts these two parallel lines. So these two angles are equal to each other because they are alternative angles. So DAC is equal to angle BAC. Reason is alternate angles. So these two angles are equal to each other because they are alternate angles, and we have proved that angle DAC is equal to BAC. Now second part, we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So in this figure, as we have CD is parallel to BA, so CD and BA are parallel to each other and their distance in between as always equal, as we have learned that two parallel lines have equal length in between them, so their distance is always equal. So BC is equal to AD. As the AB is parallel to CD, so their distance is equal to each other. AB is parallel to CD, so their distance in between them is equal to each other. So BC will be equal to AD and AB is equal to CD. As we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram is always equal, so the given figure ABCD is a parallelogram. So in this way we have proved that ABCD is a parallelogram.